Hello, friends. In this tutorial, we will discuss the switch statement. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. The switch statement's syntax is as follows and is a valuable tool for decision-making based on a single expression. Here's a breakdown of how it functions. Begin with an expression at the switch statement's top. Compare this expression to various cases, each representing a different choice. When the expression matches a case label, the corresponding code block is executed. To exit the switch body after a case is executed, utilize the break statement at the end of each case label. This is crucial to avoid unintended results. You can include as many cases as necessary in a single switch statement. Optionally, you can add a default label at the end of all case labels, similar to the else section in an if-else statement. This default block is executed when none of the cases match the expression. Let's understand it with an example. Begin by creating a variable n and assigning a number to it. Then use the switch keyword, followed by n inside parentheses. Now, set up cases starting from 0, ending each case with a colon. Following this, if the n value equals 0, write a message Sunday and utilize a break statement to exit the switch body. Replicate this code for each day of the week. At a specific value, it will display Monday, at 2 it will show Tuesday, at 3 it will indicate Wednesday, and so on for the rest of the days. Notably, in the last case, which is for Saturday, you might notice there's no break statement because it's the final case. Currently, it's displaying Tuesday in the output because n is set to 2. It initially checks the first case, 0, but as n is 2, it proceeds to the second case, 1, which doesn't match. Ultimately, it matches with the third case, 2, and displays Tuesday. If we change n to 5, it will show Friday. N value is matched with case 5. Conversely, if we set it to 3, it will display Wednesday. If I remove its break statement, you can notice that Thursday is also printed with Wednesday. But I just need Wednesday when the nth value is 3. The break statement in each case label is used to exit from the switch body. If the break is not used, all case blocks that come after the matching case will also be executed. But in my case, I don't use break in case 3, so it will print this line go to the next case, and display its output. Here break statement is available so it will exit the switch body. If I remove all the breaks. Now, you can see what I am talking about. Our match case is 3, and all the case blocks after this we got in the output. The break statement is very important to exit from the switch body. Let's reverse the last action and include all the break statements. One more thing, we can also add a default label at the end of the case label. I can type a message for it, invalid day. If I change the n value to 10, n value does not match with any case. This default block is executed when none of the cases match the expression. The position of the default label is not fixed. Currently, I have written it at the end. No break statement is necessary when you write in the last. Copy this code and paste it at the start of the switch. But when you place the default label at the beginning, be sure to include the break statement. Let's take another example. Start by creating a var variable and store a string such as March in it. In the switch expression, use the month variable. Now, we can define multiple cases for a single block of code. For example, when the month is December, January, or February, type a message in the console for these cool months winter. And after this use the break statement to exit the switch body. Next, if the month is March, April, or May, it should display spring. If none of these cases match, set the default label. It will show the message other season. In the output, you can see spring because we've stored March in the month variable. If we change it to April, it will produce the same output. Now, let's update it to January. We got winter in the output. Here there are 3 cases, the month is matched with the second case. This demonstrates how you can use multiple cases for a specific code block in JavaScript. If you find it helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for updates on future videos.